Hello everyone. So in the previous lecture I have explained what is view and how to create view. So in this video I will explain advantage of view. So the first advantage is security. We can restrict user to access directly to table and allow them to access a subset of data via view. So in the previous video I have shown, like, instead of writing a complex query, we can save that complex query in the view and then we can retrieve the data from the view. Very simple. Here we have the query. So instead of writing executing this query, I save this query inside this view. Now I can fetch this view only. So when I fetch the data from this view, I am not able to see this view is getting data from which table on what condition. Okay, so if we create a view and give access this view to any of the user, so we can restrict user to access directly to a table and allow them to access a subset of data via view only. So this is the first advantage, security. Second is simplicity. A relational database may have many tables with complex relationship, one to one, one to many, that make it difficult to navigate. However, we can simplify the complex query with join and condition using set of view. So simply we can see this query. This is not complex, but it is little bit complex. We have a join. So just assume instead of one join we have multiple join in this query, some subset sub query, like that. So this will make query complex. So what will happen, instead of, like, we can write the complex query and we can save the query in this view. So now next time, instead of writing or executing this complex query, we can fetch directly the view. So view make query simplicity. Now next advantage is consistency. Sometimes we need to write a complex formula or logic in every query. Okay, to make it consistent, we can hide the complex query logic and calculation in view. Once view are defined, we can reference the logic from the view rather than rewriting it in separate query. So very simple. Like in our daily work, maybe we have to write some formula, and that formula we have to use in many places, like in many different kind of queries, many queries. Okay, so instead of writing same formula every time in different query, that thing we can save in view and we can fetch that view every time whenever we need of that complex formula or logic. Okay, so let me give one best example. So this is my view. So in this view I have stored this data. Okay, now my requirement is to join employee table, department table and some another table. Okay, so I already have a employee and department table joined. Now I just need to join another table. So instead of writing this join with another join, I will use this view and I will join with another table. So by using this way we can say view also give advantage of consistency, means we can use same thing multiple times. And how to see the definition of existing view, and how to drop the view in SQL Server, I will explain in next video. Thank you.